y'all, Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got another Air Max 270 for you guys in two very identical colorway, total orange and hot punch. Uses a predominantly black upper, but a slight color change on the airbag of the shoe. It was only right for me to do a review of both shoes together because both of them are very similar. It would be almost indistinguishable if I did individual videos. So I think this is the best way to showcase both colorways. This is the hot punch colorway of the Air Max 270. What do you guys think of the 270 so far? I definitely think it is making some waves, and we have been selling quite a few of the 270s. A lot of people want them, so that's a really good sign for Nike, especially in a time where it's hard to introduce new silhouettes. I think Nike's doing a good job with the Air Max 270. So yeah, you got the hot punch and the total orange. Obviously, the details are in the airbag. It's just very, very similar, but they do switch the airbag on the heel. One of them has the pink and one of them has the total orange, but everything else remains pretty similar. All black upper. It's then just a matter of choice of colors. A lot of people have been buying both, just because they can't pick, and they've been mixing and matching just like so. So yeah, for those that don't know, let me do a little brief history of the Air Max 270. It is a mix of the Air Max 180 and the Air Max 93, and it uses some pretty cool materials. Obviously, it introduces a new air bag, which is the 270 bag, which is the thickest bag yet. Very responsive. If you guys have never put them on, I suggest trying them on because the cushion, you could actually feel it on the heel. Was meant so that you could really feel that airbag on the heel right there. And then it uses pretty cool materials on the upper, revisiting the engineered mesh material that they've used, obviously. And then you got your quick lacing system, and then 270 detailings throughout the entire upper part of the shoe. So let's start by checking out the outsole of this one, starting with the hot punch colorway. Pretty simple outsole if you look at it. Obviously, this is made to be a NSW sneaker, not a performance sneaker, but it uses a very simplistic Phylon midsole on the front right there. But then it has Air Max 270 bag, which is the new improved bag on the heel of the shoe right there. If you check out the midsole, very simplistic, sleek midsole at the front, but then the 270 bag on the heel, which is the thickest bag yet. Upper part of the shoe uses a combination of hyperfuse and engineered mesh. Engineered mesh throughout the front of the sneaker right there, which is pretty cool. And then obviously fuse on the mudguard side panel where the swoosh is. You got a little 270 branding on the heel right there with a little pull tab. Shoes come with your circular laces. This shoe fits like a sock, like there's no actual separation between the tongue and the side panel. And then obviously circular laces in black. That's the hot punch colorway. This is the total orange colorway. And then yeah, once again, you got your clean outsole, as you can see in the front, along with your hot airbag in that total orange. Thickest bag yet, a lot more cushiony. You could definitely feel the bounce in this sneaker right here. 270 detailings on the heel as well as on the pull tab. Engineered mesh on the upper part of the shoe, fits like a sock. Circular laces with the quick lacing system from the Air Max 95s. Yep, let me know what you guys think about the 270 so far. I definitely was on the fence, to be honest. I was very, very scared because especially in this climate of sneakers, it was kind of weird to see things work and not work and to fall off real quickly. But I do think that Nike is doing a great job with this 270s, and a lot of people have been digging them, man. Airbag is cool, so you got the hot total orange and hot punch. Which one do you guys prefer on the 270s? It's time to check out what these bad boys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Air Max 270 in the black and hot punch colorway looks like on feet. We also have the total orange colorway, which is a orange airbag instead. Which one do you guys prefer? I know they're very, very similar, but it's just a matter of color, I guess. But the shoes are super comfortable on feet, in my opinion. They do fit true to size as well, so I would stick with your original sizing. But yeah, you can definitely, I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely see the airbag here. Working, you know, being real responsive and whatnot. What? yeah, this is what the hot punch colorway looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Now it's time to see what the total orange colorway looks like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the total orange colorway looks like on feet, and you know what, I had to try the 8.5. Inside, they do feel okay, a little bit tight, but they were a lot harder to get on. So once you're in there, it actually feels a lot better. And once again, you guys can see that airbag working, you know what I mean? They really made that shock absorption, like it make you feel that shock absorption on the airbag of the 270. I would definitely stick with the true to size with this. I think this is just a little bit too tight for my liking, but like I said, at least I tried it for you guys, so now you know. This is what the total orange colorway looks like on feet. What do you guys think? I think that the hot punch is a little bit stronger in my opinion, but to each his own. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you tune into the next video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future, and hit that bell so you won't miss any future reviews. It's fun playing with this little 270 bubble. You can really feel the bounce on there. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.